Most of the Indian population is dependent on agricultural occupations including farming, animal husbandry, dairying and fishing. Recent research suggests that apart from milk, urine and dung obtained from cow are valuable resources of bioactive compounds which can be converted into value-added products. Today we can find cows roaming around on streets helplessly depending on mercy of localities. Milk, always considered as the main product of cow, is a secondary product, primary product being cow urine and cow dung. We first visited the Morupan Pingle Gaushala Parisar Dhantoli established 125 years ago. They have nearly 500 cows and most of them are brought there from slaughterhouses. They follow the old traditional ways of maintaining a Goshala and are reluctant towards modern technology. Final brainstorming was done to summarize all the problems that they are facing. Then we visited the GOVIGYANAN ANUSANDHAN Kendra DEOLAPAR located 40 kilometers from Nagpur. We talked to the concerned authorities present over there. We were shown the cattle shed where cows were fed. We noticed the proper channels for the collection of gomutra. Glass distillation columns were there from which pure gomutra arc was obtained. Renewable sources of energy like biogas plants and solar dryers were present. Medicines, soap, munjan, fertilizers, pesticides, mosquito repellent coil, etc. were manufactured in small scale using simple manual machines. This is the physicochemical composition of cow urine. It contains mostly water, urea and other salts. These are some of the probable solutions for checking purity of cow urine. A urine test strip is a basic diagnostic tool to determine pathological changes in a cow's urine. It consists of 10 different chemical compounds arranged in pads which react with compounds present in cow urine, giving a color change that can be compared with the defined colors. High performance liquid chromatography is a technique used in analytical chemistry to separate, identify and quantify each component in a mixture. It relies on pumps to pass a pressurized liquid solvent containing sample mixture through a solid adsorbent material. Using traditional tests for various components in cattle, sheep, goat and camel urine. For urea nitrogen, we found out that the camel's urine has negligible trace and the sheep urine has the highest urea content. For the ammoniacal nitrogen present, we found out that the samples of sheep and camel urine have significantly low ammoniacal nitrogen. For the hippuric acid content, we found out that the sheep and camel urine can be differentiated from the other two as they have the least and most concentrations of hippuric acid. The purity of cow urine can be found out using the electrolysis of it, because every salt solution produces different voltage on electrolysis, thus it can be differentiated from the other urine. The last method that we propose for freshness of cow urine can be done by testing urine efficiency as a potent olfactory attractant to attract pests and mosquitoes.